Asexual reproduction, when an organism reproduces without fertilization, only requires one parent, unlike sexual reproduction, which needs two parents. Since there is only one parent, sex cells, sperm and eggs, don't fuse and no genetic mixing takes place. Because of this, the offspring of asexual reproducing organisms are genetically identical to the parent, and to each other, they are clones. For instance, female marble crayfish can induce her own eggs to start dividing into embryo. Normal sex cells contain a single copy of each chromosome. But the mutant crayfish sex cell has two. The two sex cells fuse and produce a female crayfish embryo with 3 copies of each chromosome instead of the normal 2. Some other examples of organisms that can clone themselves include